Riding the currents of market excitement and community-driven momentum, Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, have long been investor favorites. But when both tokens go into periods of consolidation, a new competitor is taking the front stage with more returns and creative features. DTX Exchange, DTX, is changing how traders see the future of crypto investing with its innovative platform and remarkable 440% ROI, and counting, during pre-sale. Could this newly created token bring exponential returns and replace the meme coin giants? Read on to learn why analysts are calling DTX the best crypto investment for 2024. DTX Exchange, DTX, enhances trading experience. Accessing over 100,000 financial assets, stocks, cryptocurrency, FX, ETFs, traders tend to witness an enhanced experience. Driven by the creative Volcanex blockchain, DTX Exchange promises unparalleled speed and reliability. Moreover, DTX Exchange offers a trade execution speed of just 0.04 seconds and a testnet throughput of over 100,000 transactions per second. DTX token holders enjoy additional perks, including staking rewards of up to 15% APY and a share of the trading fee revenue generated by the platform. Additionally, DTX provides traders the potential to maximize market opportunities by unlocking liquidity of $100,000 with just a $100 investment thanks to up to 1000x leverage. With its special mix of efficiency, accessibility, and security, DTX Exchange is positioned to grab a big market share of the fast-growing $4 billion online trading platform sector as it gets ready for its full-scale introduction. Employing non-custodial storage and wallet-based trade, DTX guarantees that users have complete control over their assets. Investors have a unique chance to get in early while the DTX token is valued at just 12 cents in its sixth pre-sale round. Analysts project that DTX could experience 20x gains post-launch as a result of the high demand for its limited token supply. Set for exponential growth, DTX Exchange is the best crypto investment for traders looking for a safe, creative, high-performance platform. Dogecoin, Doge, records notable consolidation. With the Dogecoin price declining over 2% in the previous week, the altcoin has seen a period of market consolidation. The Dogecoin price dropped back to 37 cents after momentarily hitting 48 cents, then picked up momentum once more and passed the 40 cents level. With its price ranging between 43 cents and 36 cents over the previous week, Dogecoin, Doge, has shown indications of stability despite its volatility. The Dogecoin price chart has shown a consolidation phase for the past 4 weeks, staying within a range of 48 cents to 35 cents. Nonetheless, the general attitude in the Dogecoin, Doge, community is still positive. Moreover, analysts project a possible retest of its all-time high, ATH, of $0.737 in this cycle, therefore putting Dogecoin, Doge, as one of the promising altcoins to watch. Although the Dogecoin price chart shows a bullish structure that could lead to further rallies, DTX has been taking the front stage. Early DTX investors have already seen outstanding profits of over 440%. Analysts estimate a possible 20x increase in value upon the token's launch on Tier 1 exchanges in Q1 2025. Shiba Inu, SHIB, maintains momentum amid consolidation. As the Shiba Inu price negotiates a consolidation period, trading within the range of $0.000030 and $0.00004 during the past week, it nevertheless attracts investor interest. The Shiba Inu price has risen over 9% in the past month, demonstrating a consistent increasing tendency even with a small weekly rise of less than 1%. Technical markers point to continuous consolidation, including the descending triangle formation on the monthly Shiba Inu price chart. The yearly Shiba Inu price chart, on the other hand, shows a different picture with higher highs and lower lows pointing to a favorable long-term path. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is one of the top altcoins to watch for near-term growth since analysts are positive about the altcoin's likely recovery to its all-time high of $0.000088 in the next few weeks. Although Shiba Inu, SHIB, has great potential, its $16 billion market capitalization could restrict the altcoin from witnessing a fast exponential increase. Here, DTX offers a convincing substitute. With barely $57 million in market capitalization, DTX has additional area for notable upward movement. DTX is attracting enormous investor interest, already showing a 440% ROI during its pre-sale and getting ready for IRS Q1 2025 launch. DTX Exchange attracts Dogecoin and Shiba Inu investors. Despite being investor favorites, Dogecoin, Doge, and Shiba Inu, SHIB, have limited growth potential because of their consolidation periods and large market caps. Meanwhile, DTX has already produced an amazing 440% ROI during its pre-sale, with more price appreciation on the way. Analysts project a 20x increase following launch as this low market cap token gets ready for its Q1 2025 debut on Tier 1 exchanges.